Alright, what's up guys? Today's video is something I've been wanting to do for a while now. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be installing this CSL one-piece lip in carbon, obviously. So I already have the car jacked up. I'm going to mock it up in place, and then we're going to see where we're going to have to drill from underneath the bumper and see the areas where the tape's also going to be applied to. Alright, so as you can see, I have it mocked up with some tape right there. It already looks freaking killer. This should be pretty straightforward. You are going to need a few things to install this. First, you're going to need some double stick tape, preferably from 3M just because they make the best. You're going to need some self-tapping screws. I have a 1/2 inch set here. And you're also going to need some washers for those screws too, just to add more surface area. So as far as tape goes, it looks like I'm gonna have to be running tape along all this area right in front, all the way in front, because that's kind of where it pushes against the bumper. And as far as underneath goes, as you can see, there's kind of this tab on this lip here. And now this is gonna change from every lip you buy from every vendor. This is from Schmiedman. I'm guessing this is gonna be a good point to put a self-tapping screw. There's the same thing on the other side. And as far as the middle goes, there's this lip here, and this is the actual bumper, so the self-tapper will go in here. A friend of mine, Jimmy, if you're watching this, thank you, said that he put 3 in the front here and 2 screws on the side. I'll probably just put 1 screw on the side just because I'm taping it as well. But next up, I'm going to probably put the tape on the lip and then clean up the surface of the bumper so the tape applies well. Now with the tape installed on the lip, it's time for me to drill holes through the lip itself. I marked a hole placement right here, 3 in the middle right there, and the same on the other side. I'm gonna drill these out right now. With the holes drilled through the lip now, as you can see, 3 holes right in the middle, 1 on each side. I'm going to wipe the bumper down with alcohol so the tape adheres perfectly. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so now that I got the bumper wiped down with alcohol, now's the part where I actually kind of mount this thing fully. I'm gonna do the tape part first, and let's see how that goes. So here it is, the lip's fully on. I didn't bother showing an in-between between me taping it and putting the screws in. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is the first time I've really ever had experience with self-tapping screws and mounting a lip, but it's really straightforward. The lip actually has pretty good fitment. I mean, look at that. I didn't have to cut the lip or anything in terms of trying to fit it up. Here's some different angles and stuff. This is what it looks like. One little thing, this side didn't fit perfectly. Oh no, this is looking pretty good. So that's the install of the lip. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link to the lip down below, I think. If I don't though, you guys can probably find one. Personally, I think this really completes the front end. I mean, with the CSL trunk in the back, the rear is looking good, but the front was kind of lacking with no front lip. So this came in, installed it. This literally probably took an hour tops to install. That included filming too. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Adios.